Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be working on my wife's car. It is a Range Rover Evoque. Going to be replacing the water bottle or reservoir if you're American with the new one. Only problem here is that the engine mount is in the way. Gotta take the cover off, all the bolts down there. All this should come out just to slip out the bottle. So basically, it's a simple job but a complicated job. So yeah, let's get cracking with it. Okay guys, so basically the engine cover is off. Give me access on this side. Gotta remove these four 18mm nuts plus the earth to the engine mount. Then release this bolt. This one you don't really have to take it out, but you gotta release it a bit. Remove this bolt out. Swing this back like so. Then you got a e-socket number 18. Remove that one, then the whole engine mount should come off so you can gain access to your water bottle. With a 10mm bolt there, you've got a water return line here, got the sensor connection right at the bottom, and the main hose. Can't really see it. So yeah, gonna remove the engine mount. Don't forget to support your engine so it doesn't drop when you take your engine mount completely out, so that you can gain access to take the reservoir out. Alright, let's get on with it. Okay, so basically the engine mount is out, motor is being supported from under. I just got the main coolant hose, the sensor, and this return pipe up here. Then I can move the bottle away. Oh yeah, I forgot to remove the mount. You've got to make this one loose just to move the bottle slightly up in an angle so you can remove the engine mount. And while you're at it, just make sure that your rubber is good on both. So yeah, if you want to, you can remove this, but I think it's unnecessary. I'm gonna leave mine on and just remove the hoses and replace it with a brand new OEM from Land Rover. So basically the electrical connector's just got a little tab that you press and pull back. Right, this one on the top of the bottle, you just press it, pulls it out. The main hose got this pin. Just get a thin flathead screwdriver or something and put it in here and then pull it back. Now the main thing I'm changing this expansion bottle is that, don't know if you can see here, there's a little white round something in here that gets stuck. So on the old bottle, it's stuck in this position, in the bottom position. If you can see, I'm not sure if you'll be able to see this, there it went up, there it went down. Mine is stuck in the down position, telling the computer that the coolant level is low. I'm guessing it's from all the years, all the coolant, the gunk all around it, We replaced the sensor on that one, but didn't help. So after all my reading online, realized that the float switch, let's call it that, is stuck. So yeah, basically just pops in like this, connect your hoses and everything back on. Another thing, it's got this little tab here. It sits under and it's got to be clipped in the correct way. And then you got two of these. So in your old expansion bottle, there's a cover on this. So you got to take it off that and put it on the new bottle. And if you've bought a new cap, you put on a new cap, or you can reuse your old cap. I'm reusing the cap. So got to put the plug here, the cap, the hose, another hose, and your electrical connector, and that's it. And then you put your engine mount back. So I've got the plug in from the old expansion bottle, and now I'm going to fit it.
Oh, you are. Oh, you are.
The top one. Careful, these have O-rings. If you need to replace them, you might as well replace it. Mine are still good. Then you bolt everything back up. So yeah, I've tightened everything up, but I have stripped the earth threads down there. So I gotta put my tap. Since my tool won't fit in this gap, I have to compromise. Put a 6mm socket over that, and then hopefully this will work. Tapped it, put a new bolt, tightened it, perfect. So everything is being bolted back up. Now we can move to the next stage. Okay, cool. So now we're all done. No need to vacuum fill the coolant, since I didn't let much out. So the pipe is still full down here. So let's go ahead and put our coolant. Yeah, only use liquid moly on all my vehicles. My wife's car, got an E30, got a Ford Ranger, Mercedes-Benz, all that's an E46. All the vehicles get liquid moly, the best of the best. Let's do this. So I know a lot of you are going to criticize me. Oh, that's the wrong coolant for this car. I've only been using this. Oh, it's pink, it's not red or blue or yellow or green or black. Don't give a damn. Yeah, that's enough coolant. Should be full. What's this? 1 liter. More than enough. Perfect. It's slightly under the max line. You can fill it up with water and we're all good to go. Let's go. So the next step, I'm going to leave the expansion tank open just in case there's some air bubbles. Let it burp out. I'm going to start the car and see if the warning light is still there. It was showing me a low coolant level. Okay, I'm just gonna have a bonnet. Yep, it's gone. Only have the bonnet. As we can see, the bonnet is open and we are all clear. Okay, the airbag light was because I'm not wearing the seatbelt. Now I am. Perfect. Yeah, so that's it. We'll let the car run to temperature and see what happens. It was quite warm, that's why it's going quite fast. So let's see. Vehicle warnings. Only the bonnet. No other faults. Perfect. Gonna monitor it. Took my seatbelt off. Gonna monitor this temperature and yeah. Yep, holds temperature perfectly. And the warning light on.